Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I toned my 6-13 wig using Clairol Nice and Easy 9A dye. I bought this 20-inch wig from Rosabeauty and had to buy an additional bundle from Face Beauty Hair because this wig was so thin and I wanted a fuller look. So before I can start toning this hair, I had to first sew down this bundle and make this wig fuller. So I parted the hair and started sewing from side to side using a needle and thread. When I'm sewing down, I'm putting the needle under the weft and not through the track. This helps reduce the amount of shedding. When I reach the other side, I just cut some wefts, and at the end of the track I make some knots just to secure it. So I continue this process of parting and sewing until I reach the top and used all of the bundle. This is how the wig is looking when I'm done, and it is looking much better and fuller. When toning the hair, I use 3 boxes of Clairol Nice and Easy 9A box dye. I started by mixing the color cream and color activator into a bowl. Then I went in and applied the color mixture to the whole hair. After I have covered the whole hair, I left the wig for 25 minutes, then after I washed it. After rinsing, I applied the purple shampoo and rinsed again. Then I applied the CC Plus Color Seal conditioner and left it for 2 minutes before rinsing again. So this is how the hair is looking after toning it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, mwah!